We have a lot of priorities at the City of Phoenix, public safety being chief among them, and that's where our money needs to go. So if we can be partners, we would love to help solve the solution, but we do not have any additional money to contribute.
That is Phoenix Vice Mayor Kate Gallego's response to an Arizona Republic report that the Diamondbacks want the city of Phoenix to take Maricopa County's spot as Chase Field's landlord. Gallego represents District 8, where Chase Field is located. It's been a month since fans around the valley learned the Diamondbacks were unhappy with the condition of the ballpark, which is owned and operated by the county. The team asked for permission to explore other possible homes, but was denied.
The county has said there's $187 million. It's very clear, $187 million that we have seen through an engineering analysis that we don't have. And then they've said, what are you guys going to do about it? That's all. We're trying to find a solution.
Maricopa County Stadium District Director Darren Frank said the $187 million number comes from a 2013 county assessment, which also involved Diamondbacks employees. The assessment found Chase Field will require that amount of maintenance until the team's lease ends in 2028. Both parties have disagreed over the scope of maintenance and who has to pay for it.
Really, by agreement, the Stadium District is only responsible for capital improvements that will extend the life of the facility. If you go through the list of these, there are some, but the vast majority of those costs would lie with the Diamondbacks in their role as a facility manager.
Diamondbacks executives have called the situation sad. The team's managing general partner, Ken Kendrick, spoke at an event hosted by Arizona Republic columnist Dan Bickley on April 18th. He was critical of Maricopa County's ability to generate revenue from Chase Field outside of baseball.
The normal baseball stadium hosts events of all sizes, shapes, and descriptions beyond baseball games. And the average is 4 to 5 million per year in non-baseball events. Under the great leadership of our county, we have produced $600,000 a year over 18 years. It's pretty obvious to me that that isn't going to change.
Any possible solution that would be in the best interest of the local community should include talks with parties other than the Diamondbacks and Maricopa County, according to sports law expert Rod Smith.
That ought to be what's now seriously on the table, and they ought to use the university and every other kind of resource that's out there to help them find those kind of what we would call in negotiations integrative solutions, those kinds of solutions that bring parties together and make for a bigger pie so that they're not just fighting over an ever-shrinking one.
Phoenix Mayor Greg Stanton has a vested interest in the team and the county resolving their dispute, knowing what a difference the Diamondbacks make by playing downtown.
Downtown Phoenix is an awesome place right now. It's the best fan experience. So for those 81 games that the Diamondbacks play, plus the playoffs and the World Series, which they're going to get to over the next few years, I'm excited about with the direction of the team. We want those events in the heart of the city.
The 1996 facility use agreement between the Diamondbacks and Maricopa County currently prevents the team from searching for other venues until 2024, but it remains to be seen if that will hold up. In Phoenix, I'm Lucas Robbins, Cronkite News.